go up on Dre phrase, go talk say, oh, Akeem no want me. But me never know say no, you're not mind your pitney. So you do your TikTok money. Oh, come your baby mother, come ball. Come ball say nah my legacy. I know your legacy. Your legacy is a loss. And I prove it every day. So what do what? I prove it every day. I prove it every day as me live. You see the one, well on there. And every day I prove it. You see the one where you say that people business nah live no life. Because if you don't even know about your own business. Legacy is last. Because all your baby mother can come bambrail in social media come say you're not my legacy. Every man in a come ball out and beg. Like market to man, I say fish. When son at me not gonna make it spoil for me, I sell them out from early. For coins. Are you not my legacy? Come here, Juma. As much as though rotting in my house, my mind Shanchan and Barbar. And as much as though me and government in a son Tory, my mind Shanchan and Barbar. And as much as though Akeem no wants me mind Shanchan and me mind Barbar. I swear just come over your class, him can't never all him can say, me no love my put them out. Him can't say me no mind them. But mind legacy. You know everybody business, but you know everybody means, but you don't know about pitney maintenance. 5,000 like your mind woman. 5,000 like your mind pitney. 10,000 like your mind pitney. Go give your baby mother money and come out of my business. Because you work up on Dre phrase last time. Go say, oh, and Akeem now want Rosalie. But yet say legacy is last. Now I give it on social media. Because I know a meme. Triple X me I wait till later I come for you. Me wait till later me come for you. I don't feel like so you're talking I make her last night. Me I gonna let you off of the hook. Don't feel like say lady in the breast. Lady with the two long breast them like myself. Lady with the two long breast them like myself. No work me so come for you. Cause I never know say Akeem them by 6 NC I take up 2. You will bend over and take fuck and suck cocky. Triple X. You will bend over and take fuck and suck cocky. You like likes. That's why you go far and go lose a visa over a crab leg. You like call up my name in a party, I go circle the score with you. Cause the toe got such out to a big hole and shake it. Me wait till later when I get tipsy. Cause me a TikTok I select and I call up my name in a party. Cause all of my pumpkin skirt them clean. And when me got party in my pumpkin skirt, me buy liquor. Me not take up people liquor off a table. You licky. You will bend over, you will suck code. I told Akeem and free make your friend him. Cause you no select a boy like when man mine, you know. Me a wait till later for class, yo. You think me done with you? Don't even start. Cause me have 2 big clit. It's true, me know me have 2 big clit. We are around the internet. Me a wait till when me drink. Me now make a spoil my night. Me have a good Friday. Me now make a spoil my Friday. Cause me don't know you gotta tell you gotta talk about tell them about tell her the truth to do. You no go far and go look mug shot. You can't tell me the truth cause you're a thief. I go Panama, I never thief. I walk up my $1,500 US. I spend my money. You can't tell nobody about accountability because you're a thief. Nobody will walk with why. Why with that cooking letter can't tell me about accountability? Because I don't walk on thief. I'm not hungry. If money pull up no pay a party, you don't eat. And that's why you want. And that's why you capacity them want Akeem do every Friday so you can use him and steal him out in America. So I'm not going to nobody no one go cause him steal. Come in and make her go steal out my image. You're mad. You can't pay me. Huh? That's why you're in a Akeem. Run from Rosalie because you can use her and promote make her every Friday for him steal out. When we want to find Aki, we can find down and make her steal. Don't run pretty, I'm coming for you tomorrow. I'm coming for you. The world not gonna make her just the truth. Make her can't steal me out. I'm gonna go come and party. I rarely go out. Me not steal out myself in Jamaica. Me not steal out myself in Jamaica. So I'm going to road them can ball out. Rosalie! Me not steal out myself in Jamaica. Like yeah, me live. Crazy? If you want to find out Jamaica, wait till tomorrow. Wow, when they run my soak. Cause dig. Man will stop piss bed when I'm 19. You come out. Your blood are weak. Man, when you're 19, you stop piss bed. Dirty triple X. Me have two breasts at front and two breasts at back alike. Akim like tickers. Akim same like tickers. Tickers him same like. Some don't know where your come and go. Oh. But me I wait till later. Me I wait. Come in there, Mecca. And my friend say one Rosalie, I run up your mouth. Me not in Mecca, she supposed to can say one Rosalie. Me not in Mecca. My friend supposed to can hold the mic and say one Rosalie. Like come and say one attitude. Yeah, the people them say you drink out them liquor last night. And I pay money, that's what you want the boy them at the party, you like sweets. You're easy for so good. Me you later, thinking X. You like man things. You like man. You big and stink like. You come like bass up on foot. Which germs this? I'm not. Today a Friday. Back road no open yet. You see we get today Friday? I should not take no accountability. Me not have no mug shot. You got find got thief and want to tell me about accountability. Me not have no mug shot. Nobody ever beat me in England, so you want to call up my name every minute in a dance. Me not have no mug shot. Nobody ever beat me in England. Stinking man. Nyam fuck man. So cool. Lick out body bite and chew. Come punch rest by your stomach. Come punch rest by your stomach. Me look like somebody have mug shot. Me gonna got teeth. Take accountability for who none bad. Look how you got states got teeth. Me could have walk. Me could have fly the whole 52. The 58th state them in America got teeth. One crab leg. You're hungry, and that is what it shows. So you got fire and got teeth. Me and I no caliber run right in my draw. You're hungry. Cause I said me the guy make a last night. Ask Akim me have my money for buy my liquor, and him know. Don't ramp with me. I come class later. Oh, I come touch you. I notice when you come and see me and that boy, you don't want to see me and the blood clot boy. You don't want to see me and him for some reason. You don't want to see me and him for some blood clot reason. Him like, something wrong. You don't want to see me and him. You want to take him out, go steal him out in America. For when money pull up around, you can't eat him out and drink him out. I want him steal out when nobody use him. When you forget, when you couldn't call me. Oh, I'm not like you know. I got clap. You want to come to me big and stink alike. Me big and stink alike. You big and stink for man. When woman big, it no look bad, but man big it stay very bad. Cause your belly cover your cocky. Got up in a seed bag. You don't have nothing to pay him out. I say you use. Me still have my old and me go rip you up later. Watch me and you think me nice? Think me nice? Think me nice? Me go rip you up. Because you don't call me name. Me say when woman big and stable, it no look bad. But when man big and stinky look bad. Cause the whole your cocky gone up in your blood clot belly. A pure seed bag I say you use. Pure seed bag I say you use. And when you're 19, I stop this bed, triple X. Until I'm done with you, don't call up me, I'm not trying to straight for me. Go take accountability for the crab leg, the mug shot we have in America. I come eat out my all. Watch me here tomorrow. Me a circle your count. Me one by one, the whole of you come to the hill. He's a TikToker. I fear me, I want to ramp with me. Me in America last night, you done shoot at the boy and tell the boy enough to invite blood clot me already. Remember good. Remember when we gonna make the last time? A $20,000 money pull up me give you. $20,000 money pull up me give you. And the first time me give me 5,000 put in your pocket back to him and you like sweets. You will suck good and goggle balls. Give the woman them a chance. Give the woman them a chance. Give the woman them a chance. I like sweet. It's a sweetie bag. It piss bed. You walk up tell me, and when you're 19, you stop piss bed. Man about pan them out. Me and you tomorrow. Big and stink like an or come up enough. And nose and go like your things. I come talk about diamond with the shit bucket. Eh? Diamond with the shit bucket. I say like you want to come stay. You know like woman. Diamond with the shit bucket with the little stinking so we pull a post. Running water, dirty man, pad throat, mucus mouth, period blood up your mouth corner. Eh? Period blood up your mouth corner. No call up diamond name. Cause shit in a boy mouth like one, cause you're a waste man. Wait till a man, cause one by one, the whole of the pan go up the hill. Come here, send for the dogs and watch where you. You lick in a blood clot, you poison. You licky them fuck you for NEC. Go put back the people them two back at NEC. You take up last and go jig your hungry girl will go. You not hungry like dog. Don't ramp with me. Show you hear that no. Not triple X me attack. Think me done with him? That must say one thick cause of that your blood clot say. How blood clot wa? You come talk about and underneath telling a friend accountability. Then when you got teeth in a Walmart, you fear friend they tell accountability. Who got friend got teeth $1? Who got friend got teeth $1? Pussy on things. Who got friend got teeth $1? The first flight me take a Panama, me gonna 1,500 US me walk with. I'm done in a 2 day and come back to my yard. Take a first class flight, come home, come eat up my hole. Around problem, I come back for you tomorrow coming done. Want to get 2 good sessions out of days. I like call up my name. Mecca, you still have careless triple X in a plug and select on the party. You not go look somebody good. You see triple X and licky, sweetie ball, piss pan, shit pan, woman poop, jazz washer, nano toe back, nano belly bottom, nano toe, stink for me, I'm teeth can of the wisdom part. Eh? Stink for me like the teeth, wisdom teeth part I saw. Stink. Yeah. Chat will look too live goal. The house of trouble me not trouble long time I depend upon me now blood clot trouble. Clout one, clout shall blood clot then. So me I wait for you come tell me say Aki me want for me take your hand again. Cause that's how I'm gonna tell me I go class you know. Yes. Because I know you know, it's if I'm say when in our day I'm gonna make out with Diamond and Akim come on the next the Saturday and talk and then I see him come on the Sunday and then I see you come on, I know you are 2 9 years. Kind of like put battery in a man back and program them. Because him too young and naive, una use him clout to make money off him a Friday night time. How you have no name? I don't want to look on him when him get to help himself. You don't want to ruin it. Him go steal out himself and make him a Friday night like him a idiot. The one look on him ever go steal out himself and make him like him a blood clot mascot. Me and you tomorrow. You like call up girl name in a club. Make a camp him because something in blood clot club. He want a tampad. Triplex you want a brazier and a tampad and a stop leak. One for the 2 hole where you have. You want a stop lick for your mouth, and you want a tampad for your bottom. You want a trini brazier. A girl. Man barrel. Big and stink na blood clot. And sour like lime. And slippery like okra. And insipid like the soup of my cook one day. Yeah. Stinky chunk crow. Dog bed. I hate the dirty man, you see. I can't stomach the big dirty bullfrog. Jonah Weir, Miss Puff, Lady Guyana. Thinking mouth, sore foot, bassa teeth, cold, flu, jankro, that shit. COVID-19, COVID-24, COVID, jankro, all type of disease, AIDS, syphilis, gonorrhea, shithouse, dead dog, vomit, sinus. Somebody said sinus. Me say somebody said sinus. Somebody said sinus. I so black them class more there, yeah. And call me sinus. Him too enough, man. Me na my bed. Come on, sleep. Me na my bed fast on the party like any TikToker. Cause when me done TikTok and when me do TikTok and I turn troll in the night. Me a troll like everybody a fast up walk keeping at the party. You come and call up my blood club. Put respect for my name. Say Miss Rosalie Batty boy. Cause me never got a friend got teeth yet. I'm not hungry. And the reason I'm lock up your teeth more than 1,000 out of Walmart. I couldn't know one problem make him lock you up. Your teeth more than 1,000. Cause when the teeth less, when the teeth under 1,000, you can't continue the teeth. Until you pass 1,000, them lock you up. So your teeth over 1,000. That's what them lock up your stinking blood clot. No stinking triple X me attack. The whole flour bag. All flour me dirty bag. The lady who want the brazier me attack. The man was chef. The dirty man who anything breast them sour like lime. He me attack. Cause he messed me trouble him last night. The one of the dark bed. The one who I want him at 19 him stop piss bed. He me attack. Oh. The too enough. The job stand by them little later. You're welcome to it up and drink it with your hungry self. I TikTok you want for mine, yo. With a piece and shit in your mouth. Come on, I don't want you to suck nothing for me. Pay piece and shit me a dash by you. I don't want you to suck nothing for me. Triple X a pay shit and piece me a dash by you. And that's why you got foreign England and them nearly beat a kill England. I don't know nobody, I don't know you go like on a smaddy. You stink. Big swat, dirty buffalo, dirty man. Your blood clot belly cover your cocky. Everything in your mouth. Like how my belly cover my pussy, so your belly cover your blood clot cocky. I have to lift it up for fuck again. Ugly to watch me, yo. Rapping. My mama big pussy, well, my mama big twin watch me, yo. Your belly cover your cocky. Go find your cocky. Me and you tomorrow. Your belly cover your cocky. Go look for your cocky. Our upper side, the woman come from my life, come bust it. The E.T. Achalalala. Me and you tomorrow come and done with it. Me no want to spoil me evening. You're too enough. You're too enough. Dirty sweatag. You want when a son go dead. Cause when I go in a son it dead quick. Agna son. Me and you tomorrow. Agna son. Pig in a blanket. Sore foot pan. Sore pan foot. Bassa in a toenail. 10-day cabbage water. Nano nose bridge. Nano choke back. sinus, cold, flu, COVID-19. I mean, set blame them for your blood clot. I blame them come class, yo. Chankro. Two blood clot enough. Remember, I don't know friend, I don't know no family no way. I know the Akim party, I call up my blood clot. Me can't rest. It no rest in your throat back. Attitude say one rosary across the board. That should say. I want to me more name more than you. But oh, you need to tell accountability. Come suck out the accountability out of me. Count it with ability. Chankro. Come bite out the accountability out of me. Count it with ability. Dog shit. Come you wear pumpkin skirt and you wear frock. And pad. So when me any day you see me stop wear skirt, at the same day you gotta stop wear pad. And when and to me know you not stop wear pad triple X, me not stop wear my pumpkin skirt them. Me and you earlier man, you can't even start yet. Oh. Come eat me out, count it with ability. Chankro. Come on, know me take accountability on our teeth. You puss. You are wild with a cookie let old puss. All skate fence, all jump in a house. I'll call window and door, can't have to bar them door. He's a thief. So you've got to go take accountability. I mean, I walk on thief. I never thief nothing yet. Me not convict. A thief can't teach me. You can't teach me as a thief. Eh? You can't teach me as a thief. Your mug chat come down from America yet? What you gonna teach me say he's a blood clot thief? Eh? Thief never see thief with long bag. Because you know see you know want me to run the blood clot, but I can't have him and make her use him for a little bit and cheapens and steal him out and make her with 3 and 4 and 5 and 8 people. You know? I pay Scooby-Doo away, bomber drop. Like in their things on Friday night time. So when them do money pull up, I can drink out tight and yam out tight and sleep out tight and that type of thing. But and I push on all saga up and him all flame, all country bunk and tough toe girl will breed out have all 18 pitney. 18 pitney chicken gunya and all of the blood clot time them chicken gunya breed out a pitney chicken gunya red pack season monkey pops COVID all type of season them they want to show up on him. You know, putting a girl for your blood clots and your cocky gone up in your belly. Pay your mouth to use. Because you couldn't come on top and become not even blow. Because your mouth half stink. You not even look like you not do self-care. Your mouth half stink. All of them supposed to stink. Like one of the stinky might see them a walk across a town. Which artists I look like stink. Where? Chankro. I'm not done with him too enough. Oh. Poor tap. You're done? Turn on that Nisha. Where Red Bull? There's a meeting in my bed tonight, bright. Turn on Nisha. Well, far out. I'm not trouble him. I save some for tomorrow. Did I start with him yet? Jabas ball last night. I said the boy them got come here chat. The boy them got party last night. And Jabas them ball. Triple X gone with the backlines. Him now buy nothing. Him dying for the boy them say money pull up. You know which either going out part of the pay money pull up. Pops YG when I no use the money. Cause Pops them not use the money, you know. Pops them not use the money. No. Pops them not use the money now, you know. Pops soon want have use the money when him older. Him not gonna want it. No. When me look at pay money pull up, Pops other select I get $1 last night. Triple X send back my 20,000 before you come class. I want to take accountability to my money pull up and me give you a junk crow. I want about me 30,000 and then I can buy accountability with it. So cool. Wait till tomorrow. It's gonna be done with you? It's be done with you? So cool. I want about me 30,000 to go buy accountability with it. Like how you eat a sell out a road. I want about my money pull up money for go buy it. It's be done with you yet? I want about me, yes. Himself for go take accountability. So the 30,000 I'm getting money pull up, I want it back. 30,000 come to come 5,000 money and give him. Remember I can give him 100,000 kicks him in America. I mean, I don't know how much me give him. 30 or 40. I don't know because I'm kind of tipsy. But I know he passed 20. So I put a one range. We say 30. I talk about 5,000 out of my blood club bag and give the batty boy. So I want back my money for go buy accountability. I want it back. Because since you know where it sell. Because I'm not thief in a triple X. I say, look here now. Alright. One of them want me good. Longer screen a card catch your money pull up. Me do money money for go buy accountability. Like you know where it sell. And it's when you give me back my money, I go buy accountability triple X. I want to reban you. And do it like some woman. Turn on the stove and put your hand underneath it, the two teeth. Me want buy accountability, you want reban. And your mama, when you reach all 5, 8, 9, 10, your mama turn on the stove and push your finger underneath the two teeth. Teeth, 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 teeth. Wall him, teeth, teeth, teeth with long bag. Rat shit. Baby doo-doo. Hot mess. Ranstead corner. Watch me later. TikTok you want be. TikTok you got blood clot be. I don't know why I make have this look a big stinking man when I have no forward. I mash up them club. Come never go a party with your triple X a blood clot. Cause triple X boring. Look how you born. Look how triple X born at Akin party last night. That be a chatting. He want to be seen. Stop the phone. No, she not trying. Turn it down, Miss Moore. The problem hear my voice. I work me there.
She at work. Turn it down, the minis.
Never gonna leave. Come in, you turn me. You hear me there, so you just turn me. Never gonna leave. Never gonna leave. I don't want to beat me in here. We can't get 2 live goals. That's true, don't it? I mean, yo, we don't let him. Shut my mouth. I want to get back here, look at Caan. You like I said? You like I said? You like you look at Caan? How long you do I get 501 now? How much I can do I get?
She knows she want everything she can pull you out. I want to be my side partner. Yeah, I'm mad out. I'm mad out.
Shut up.
You need to pull you out. Hear me just say, you know about that
Misha, what I will come here?
She could have done it.
After 3.
Already.
She for a start.
She could have done it and sleep already. Me don't never try first time where she insecure. She's not.
Lad, I say go get Caan by the top girl up. Prentice the Caan do things good enough. Cause if
Why did you say that? You don't know that.
my apology.
Thank you. I'm with a child now.
Alright, I don't say it.
You want bigger than you. Exactly.
I look 2 live goal. Put an eyelash off out to hard. I don't want to buy no account, I want to buy my money for go buy it. And 2 pack I'm buying 2 pack of tamper and me like she. Every time she come home, she up on her period. Me and him tomorrow coming done yet. I not run no joke. When they make her don't call me name. Me cannot suck body I like. Me and you can't suck. Me don't want Triple X fight me for go suck body. Cause look like a fight you fight me for go suck body. Me know you fight me for go suck body. We will wait till tomorrow morning. To be nice. A nice to the baby. Cause me not take the accountability card. For me can't bite, me not take it. Me not take no accountability because for me can go buy it. Me not take it. Coming up, me no know where it sell. You got take accountability. He's a thief. Why with a crooked letter? I mean, no girlfriend got thief less down the plane fear. Suck your mother hard. Your girlfriend got thief less than your plane fear. You see your germs. Wait till tomorrow, sir. Coming done, you know. Me I go and sum up the words. Wait till you take me out nice. Eh? You want to come by me every meeting a party. And your girlfriend got thief less than your plane fear. You there somewhere? You're big and sour and stink. Stop fighting me for gun your body. Come on, say body you fight me for go suck. Crab teeth. Crab eggs. Mr. Krabs. You're too enough here, selector. You're too enough. You're too enough. You're too enough. I don't like you. And you're beggy, you're licky. You're licky like dog. But me can't support you. You're big and stink. And licky. The boy them for piss in the buckle and give fitness make you drink it, drunk crow. The boy them for piss. The boy them Akim and figure it out and the boy them for piss in the buckle and put down and serve you your girl because you're licky. You're licky, you was so cold. I lick up bad tick, you like spend. And you like sweets, you like money pull up. Me here tomorrow. And you mix with the wrong.
Put on your son now.
You mess with the wrong. You mess with the wrong. The pumpkin skirt them clean. You know where them dirty. Yeah, and them clean, them not dirty. I want to wear my pumpkin skirt and go in a party, I spend money, I not beg. I'm not begging. I beg pan the app, not into the party. Chankra, I'm not troubling him. I want to say I'm not troubling him. I want to do all on 14.1 came in a trouble him. I'm a class me last night. Cause when them trouble me, I'm going to come class them, uno class me for them. Remember, me not trouble him. Oh? Me not trouble him and a two time now him style me. Well, 3 time now. Oh? Two time now. 3. What? What?
Yeah. It a shake.
Environment is safe, you know.
Come on, all something properly. Time ago.
Sometimes when I do not on one side, I want it there and put it there. Put some giants of double 6.
Next month I will finish the work. I'm not being no kind of black.
Yeah, but that's what they're black. Nice enough for me.
Afterwards, sounds good.
I like.
I will say black line. It's a bit.
I walk on the road. Too much walking on the road.
Slide on your hand.
Careful.
First, me gonna one of them. First, me gonna one of them. I know first. My class. No. Want to smell like me say them the man them out of his stink, you know. Like stink. Stinking mouth. Start and tell for me because I want to live me I do. No look for me I do want to live. What does it go work? I don't do me here at a party me I go. I don't there say look out of me eye. You see me now I look me out of me eye and a class. I have a circumambulate upon the 360 angle degree where I catch up a stadium. Hey, you know, somebody got them as something before. Hey, you know, say, my life I improve because all dryer me never go on yet, me I improve. Dryer. I force me to go on and eat if it fit me though. If it, that force me to go, it fit me. So my ear gone pampers. What is for my ear? Remember when I wicked with Misha? My ear gone pampers.
So she did her girlfriend for me?
And I find them, what the Wi-Fi? What is?
All right. Don't send no.
Hi, Mama.
How are you? You alright?
I great. Oh, everything from today, me see it was a dollop, so where you go?
I'm going to a party.
Are you not invite me?
You know they are Jamaica. If they are Jamaica, of course, me not invite you.
Of
I couldn't
course,
get
me
hot
girl,
from my
me
face,
are
man.
outside.
It's hot. See my face a smoke up, man. Too much heat on my face.
No, this is not just that's why I roll.
Yeah, it's hot. I can't take it no more, you know. Too hot on my face. So, honey, want me, alright?
Yeah, me there, go on one thing, darling, what go on with you?
Me there, I get ready for go. I want to look a party, up a Swiss party up past stadium car park, my love. So I do me ear and I go do my
Oh,
feet. I do me ear, beard, put on my makeup, do my
yeah.
things already, throw on my outfit, outside, pam bad mind, outside, pam bad mind, and wicked at
Right there,
outside. Now here's
so.
the
Right
angle.
there, so. Kill them dead.
Kill them
Like
all
this a
and done.
roast kill
Kill them
them.
all and done. So Annie me just come to say hi.
Yeah,
You're
my
looking
baby,
young.
go and big
You're
up
looking
yourself. You know,
young.
one of them
You're
day,
looking
me I have
young.
to go play some match. One of them day, me have to go play a match, you know, because me know you have to go
Don't
out
say
and
a word.
about.
Don't say a word. Of course. You know me like the family
All
and
right,
so,
my
but
baby.
we keep in touch.